Hello, I'm Stefan and today I'm going to show you how to do a switchback.
I've been giving you the worst. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats.
Step 1. You focus on a point which is 2 meters in front of you. Then you come in your central body position and you start to brake smoothly. Then you focus on the point on which you want to block your front wheel. Step 2. Now we focus on the point and we ride to the point and then we start steering exactly in the direction where we want to go out of the corner. Now it's time for step 3. We focused on our point and now, a short moment before we lock our front wheel, it's important that our chest goes a little bit deeper and at the same time our elbows goes a little bit out. And then it's important to support our movement with preloading our legs and then with an explosive movement to stretch them again. That's how we lift the rear wheel then. It's also important to steer a little bit on our point, that we can place our rear wheel exactly in the line we want to go out of the corner then. So now you know how to do a switchback. Have fun, enjoy the ride and take it to the next level.